Hello, everyone. My name is Priyanka, and I'll be the host for the meeting today. We are in the week 12 of the 1.26 release cycle, and today is November 21. I will request everyone to add their name to the attendee list, and we can go ahead. Also, this meeting abides by the CNCF Code of Conduct, so that pretty much boils down to please be nice and excellent to each other. Thank you. We do not have anything in the open discussion other than the retrospective document. If you have any feedback or comments or any retrospective item that you want to discuss as part of this release cycle, please feel free to add it to the document. With that, we can move to the release team updates, enhancements. Anyone on the team, on the call from enhancements team? If not, I am assuming it would be same as last week, since we are past the enhancements freeze and code freeze now. I'll move to CI signal, Naman.
Yeah, so hi everyone. The current status of CI signal is yellow because we have one failing job in master informing, and we have already opened an issue for the same. Also pinged the respective SIG, that is SIG node, and they are looking into that. Apart from this, there are 6 flaky jobs in master informing and seven flaky in master blocking. That's all from our team.
Thank you. I just checked the failing master informing failing issue and believe folks have reached to the problem. Yeah.
Yes.
Any comments? Any questions for CI signal?
Hello. Yes, I'm Meha. Like on behalf of CI Signal team, I have followed up on the failing issue. Like I have reached out to SIG node and I got to know like it's not blocking for the release, and they will try to fix it as soon as possible.
Thanks so much, Meha, Naman. Thank you. Let's move ahead with bug triage.
Yes, current status is green. There is no breaking issues or APIs for the release, so we're fine.
Thank you, Nicholas. Any comments? Anything for bug triage team? Cool. Let's move ahead with docs updates with Carolina.
Hi. Well, we are in a status yellow because we have three pull requests in draft mode, and right now every pull request has to be ready for review. That's the reason. Also, I have a pull request that is like 9 days that is open. I don't know if I will put here because in the chat soon is to sync the main branch, the dep 1.26, and I think that's all. I don't know if you have some questions.
Thanks for the updates.
So are the 3 ones still the ones that I think reported like 1 week ago? So basically nothing really changed on that side. So folks are still not responding to opening PRs for docs.
About the documentation, you ask?
Yep.
No, it's in the draft mode. All the caps has documentation. We don't have any without the pull request, but yeah, it's only because the deadline has passed about the draft.
But all enhancements have now docs, at least draft ones. So
at least has
So this process is moving forward, or do you need any additional help with pinging people or getting this forward?
No, I will try to reach these 3 drafts pull request about today. Go
Okay.
ahead to
Awesome.
be
Okay.
ready. And yeah, I will in the next thing I will see if it's better.
All right. Sounds good.
Thank you, Karina. Thanks for the updates. We'll move ahead with release notes, Rodolfo.
Hi, our current status is green. We will be working on the major teams and node issues draft document from now and in the following weeks. Also, a couple of SIGs confirm that they don't have major teams to report in this cycle. So we are good for now.
Sounds really good. Thank you, Rodolfo, for the updates. Any questions for release notes? Cool. Let's move ahead with comms with David.
Yeah, hello everyone. Our current status is green. So far, the mid-cycle deprecations and removals blog was published last week. And also there's already an initial draft of the release article itself. It's in progress. And all the tracks enhancements or the ones that opt in for feature blocks are being followed. The deadline for an initial draft review is coming next week. So we are providing reminders to enhancement authors about this. But yeah, so far that's the status.
Thank you, David. Thank you for the update. If you need any help, just feel free to reach out to us. We can help you reach out to the others. Any update? Any comments for comms team? If not, anyone from release branch management on the call? Anyone have any updates from release management? If anyone aware, Leo?
Yeah, so the next cut, the RC1 cut will be in 8 days. So on Tuesday next week. But everything looks, I think, fine at the moment for CI Signal. Maybe we can check if there are like any flakes, but besides that, everything should be fine. There was one issue open to update the test grid 1.26 dashboards. So basically the test dashboards for our specific release for 1.26, and these needs to be merged. But I pinged the leads in chat and over the issue. So hopefully this will get merged today or so we can observe the project boards properly. Yeah, but that's it.
Yeah,
Nothing concerning.
And just to add, I checked there are 3 cherry pick PRs also open on KK, which are waiting on release branch manager or release manager's approval. Yeah, that's all. Let's move to our emeritus advisor, Nabarun, if you are on the call. Looks like no. So over to you, Leo, again.
To my update, I'm currently reading over all the caps to get a better understanding what details changed. So basically with code freeze, we now have like the exact number. Okay, these caps are getting in the release and some did not make the deadline. So I read over all the caps and add some ideas to the release major themes block on the way, which David already linked above in the comms update. And yeah, I'm also working on the release theme. Hopefully I can announce it this week. So every release has a name. So the name can be anything. And also a logo, which gets released over the release block. And yeah, that's basically it.
Thanks, Leo. We are all looking forward for the release theme. Yep. Thank you. With that, I don't see any updates from SIG Scalability. Anyone on the call from SIG Scalability? If not, we are at the end of our meeting. Anyone wants to bring anything before we stop the recording? If not, thank you everyone for joining the meeting. I'll go ahead and stop the recording.